The key is teaching coding as a means to understand AI, not as an end in itself. My childhood coding fostered resilience and creativity, traits that are still vital in the AI age, but clinging to outdated curricula risks failing the next generation. The answer lies in synthesis. Teach coding's principle to demystify AI while prioritizing ethical prompting, bias mitigation, and human oversight. Now, as I guide my son through his first Python exercises, I now pair them with discussions about AI's climate impact and ChatGPT's hallucinations. This duality, honoring coding's legacy while embracing AI's future, offers a blueprint for education in the age of machine collaboration.